Hi John, and thank you for being an AIG client. This video was created to help you with a claim that you opened recently. Let's review your next steps and try to make your ride as smooth as possible. So what's next? Now is a great time to choose where you want your vehicle to be treated. In this step, you have two options: AIG Arrangement Garage or your own private garage. Click on each option to learn more. Simply select from our list of arrangement garages. This option offers several advantages, like treatment warranty, no extra fees, and a replacement vehicle. And the biggest advantage, we take care of the payment. All that's left is to pay your deductible, and you're done. Moving on. Once your vehicle is repaired, please send the appraisal report to us, along with the other forms as specified in the email you received after opening your claim. You can follow your claim on our website or contact us for any question via our chat, email, or by calling us. Always there for you. AIG.